So the UST Growling Tigers won to take solo 4th against the UE Red Warriors. You know what time it is? Hands in. I'm pretty happy with UST winning. Just a few reminders guys, pag lamang tayo ng 20 against the team na wala nang hinahabol in this current season, please wag na natin pakawalan yon at wag na natin silang pahabulin dahil pag meron tayong mga nakalaban na mas malakas pa sa UE at ganito ang performance natin, there's a tendency for us to lose. So just make sure to keep things in composure. But yeah, that's for UST. This is a video primarily para sa UE Red Warriors. You know, I'm looking at the highlights a while ago. This was one of the very rare games in this season na medyo mahirap panoorin kahit yung highlights. Things have not been going well for UE, and this is not to attack the players because they've been on some close games, but they were just at the losing end. This is a plead to the management. This is a plead to the people who are there na sana magkaroon ng mas maraming suporta pa in the future ang UE. Kasi ako, ayaw kong umabot sa punto na pag merong player na tatanungin, nasan ka maglalaro? Sa UAAP po, ay ang galing mo naman, anong school? Sa UE po. Ayoko naman ng ganun, man. Because of the losing record that they've had over the last 15 years, medyo mahirap ma-establish yung prestige of being part of a UAAP school when you play basketball in UE. Wala akong ideya sa lahat ng mga nangyayari in terms of the other sports, but in basketball specifically, you don't want to make the university a laughingstock. Kasi ang hirap naglagay ka ng bagong coach. Chris Gavina's fighting for his players. But the wins weren't there. Gavina gets a suspension. Tapos nun, si Lingo-Lingo naman ang nasuspend. And then after realizing na wala na silang habol towards the Final Four, John Abate also retired. At hindi lang yun. In the middle of the season, Hunter Cruz Dumont went to Adamson and was willing to go residency for them because he didn't want to play for UE anymore. 2009, they were at the finals and they lost to Ateneo. Pagdating ng 2010 up until this year, they have not made it to the Final Four. You know how it pains me to say that and I'm not even from UE.